Guys, ladies and gentlemen, request from my boss: chicken with air fongos and black air fongos, and then chicken thigh and chicken wings I mix, and then ginger, and then the orange one I don't know, and then this one is dry mushroom. I soak this in the water. So okay, and then I cut ginger. Ayan, ginger. So I mix with sauce, light soy sauce, and then this is nor. Okay, and then this one, premium oyster sauce. So okay, so thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for watching, and then I steam this later, and also I add this Chinese vinegar. So okay, and of course oil. I add oil, flour and sugar, just little, mixed well, and after that you pour it here. Okay, so it's very easy, and then you steam this for 20 minutes, and then you just try if cooked already, so you can remove into the heat from the boiling water. So thank you so much for watching. Have a nice night and good evening.